Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Are you good today?
Yes, ma'am. How about you, ma'am?
And
We're
you?
good. Perfecto. Are you happy?
Of
Yes,
course.
ma'am.
Okay, that is the most important thing. When you are happy, it will be easy to do everything. Okay. Okay, then let's start our lesson for today with praying. And Sri, could you please lead your friends to pray this morning? Please.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, friends, before we start our lesson today, let's pray together. Start. Finish.
Okay, thank you, Sri. Okay. Let me remind you about our last meeting last week, right? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
What we learned last week? What we have learned last week?
Poem.
About poem, ma'am.
What is poem in Indonesian?
Puisi.
Puisi.
bukan,
Yeah,
ma'am. Puisi,
very
ma'am.
good. Last meeting we have learned about poem. In Indonesia it means puisi. We have learned about poem last week. What did you get?
Social function, ma'am.
Social function. Thank you, Sri.
Structure, ma'am.
Structure. Yes, the generic structure. And then the last. What is the last? What? All tags have social function, have generic structure, and then
Language picture, ma'am.
language features. Okay, thank you. That we have learned last week about poem, and today we are going to learn about new material. Are you ready to start our lesson for today?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. And I would like to share you my screen about our
Not yet, ma'am.
yeah. What about when you are in, how do we call it? Junior high school, SMP?
Oh, yes.
Yes, okay. Did you still
Yes.
remember a little bit? Did you still remember a little bit about what did your teacher in back in junior high school teach you about narrative text? Do you ever heard Fabel? Or maybe
Yes, ma'am.
yes, what kind of stories you still remembered?
Dongeng, ma'am.
Dongeng,
Kancil, ma'am. Cerita kancil, ma'am.
Kancil, and the crocodile, and then
Yes.
what is Cinderella, Snow White. That is a kind of narrative which you learned when you are in junior high school. Yeah, today is about narrative text. And when you are learning this material, we have a purpose, we have a goal that you have to achieve. Okay, when you are learning this material, so at the end, you are expected to be able, first, you have to be able to analyze the social function of narrative text, and then you have to be able to analyze the generic structure and of course the language features. So we will have some activity which will help you to master this skill, to master the analyze, to master how to analyze the social function, the generic structure, and the language features of narrative text. Okay, are we still good? Can you follow me? Can you follow
Yes,
my?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Move to other slide. Move to the next slide. Why should we learn narrative text? What do you think? Why should we learn narrative text? What for? It is a stories. It is just stories. It is an image.
Menghibur, ma'am. Menghibur,
Yeah.
ma'am.
When you are feeling sad, when you are feeling blue, and then you don't know what to do. How do you say it in Indonesia now? Gabut.
Yeah, yes,
Don't
ma'am.
know what to do in the very worst level. And then you read a story, you read a funny story, it will change your mood.
Mood.
Okay, you are entertained by the stories which
Stories.
Okay, but the most important thing when you read a story in a form of narrative text, the most important thing is the moral values. Okay, you can learn what is good, what is bad, what is good to do, what is forbid to do by reading a narrative text. There is so much moral values that you can find when you are read a narrative text. And then inspiration, the reader. Okay, it's inform you, it's entertain you, it is motivate you, and it is teach you by the stories, by the problems that written in the text. Okay, so remember, this is the social function of narrative text. When you are read a story, this function is, it is to inform you, to entertain you, to motivate you, or to teach you, depend on what kind of stories, what kind of narrative you read. Okay, can you remember this?
Yes,
ma'am.
Not to memorize, but I would like you to have a concept about what is narrative text. The most important thing is narrative text is a story. To which function is to entertain, to amuse, to teach. Okay, let's move to this types of narrative text. Okay, this is in general, narrative text has two function. Okay. The first type, no function types. The first type is non-fiction. It's mean the story based on a true event, but it's different from biography. Okay? Non-fiction, it's including a person's life story, important historical event, or news stories. This is a combination of narrative and informational writing. Means like this. Have you ever watched a movie which inspired by people's true stories? Like, what is that? The last movie which inspired Habibie and Ainun. Have you watched it?
Yes, ma'am.
That is a biographical, but it is not a biographic. Biographic tends to use the same characters with the real events, but narrative, no, it's just
Imagination.
inspiration. The participants, the place, it's so much different. That is non-fiction, so it is a combination of imaginative and informational, which is really happen in the real world. Okay, the second is fiction. Okay, this is the real function of fiction is to entertain, to amuse. Tell the untrue story, the story made up by the writer. Short story, comics, novel. Do you like to read comics?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
When I
What
was
kind?
elementary. Detective Conan, ma'am.
Conan, yes. I like to read, what is that? One Piece. One Piece, Naruto, that is comics. And novels. How many novel have you read in a month?
Just one,
Sudah
ma'am.
lama,
That's
ma'am.
one. It depends on the pages, tergantung halamannya ya. Was apa masalah yang dihadapi oleh si kancil dalam cerita itu in that story? The Mosjir want to do you still remember? The Mosjir want to, si kancil ingin cross
menyeberang sungai, ma'am.
okay, cross the river, but in the river there are many crocodile. That is the problem. That is the problem. It is state in complication. Dinyatakan di bagian komplikasi. Jadi in complication, it is tell you the beginning of the story and the series and the sequence of the problem, and it leads to the crisis. Kan puncak masalahnya, and it will be finished when it reach to resolution.
Resolution.
Resolution tell you that the problem is resolved. Masalahnya sudah selesai. And sometimes the narrative text also have reorientation, but it is optional. Means it can be in a narrative text or it can be not. It's up to the writer. Tergantung penulisnya. Whether he or she wants to use reorientation or not. So it means optional. What is in the reorientation? Yeah, what is in the reorientation? What is
Kesimpulan
written
ya, Ma'am. Kesimpulan ceritanya, Ma'am.
Advice. You state the moral values.
Moral values.
Moral values in the story. You state it here. It is written in reorientation part, the moral values, the advice, what the writer want to what the writer want to teach to the readers. So we have four. We have four generic structure of narrative text. They are orientations, complication, resolution, and reorientation. But reorientation is optional. It can be deleted from narrative text. Okay. Can you follow me? Okay, still good, right? Still happy? So the use of verb time usually also in past time. It shows the past event, like last year's, yesterday, last night, or maybe like long time ago. Long time ago, there was a beautiful princess, but she is not beautiful anymore right now. And or like once upon a time, this shows the adverb of time. Okay, see this. Okay. I have shared you the slide about what should we do in a worksheet. This is the text. This is the text about narrative text, postponing the schoolwork. Oh, I forgot. This kind of narrative text which I show you is called a slice of life. This is also narrative text. It's called slice of life. So it tells you a story which happens from the real life. Because in real life, you learn math lesson. In real life, you go to school. In real life, you have friends. So it is a story which usually happen in your daily life. The title is postponing the school work. And what you have to do in your worksheet is the first one. Listen up. The first one, you have to be able to analyze the. Wait a second.
Adverb.
The text structure. Which paragraph tell you, which paragraph state the orientation, which paragraph state the complication, which paragraph state the resolution, or is there any reorientation in the paragraph, or is there any reorientation in the story? So in the first paragraph, move to. Okay, you have finished doing your worksheet in your group. So let's discuss what you got, what you have learned in your group by analyzing the structure and also the language features. Okay, the group one, Fauzia. Okay, have you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you. We have learned about the social function. We have learned about generic structure. We have learned about language features of the narrative text. Okay, tell me what do you know about the social function of narrative text? Its function is to
entertain,
ma'am.
Entertain.
To inform.
And inform the text have moral values, which is conveyed in the text. So it's also function to
teach.
To teach.
Teach
Good.
the reader, ma'am.
To teach the reader. Good. And how many generic structure do the generative text have? Oke, yuk. Lanjut ya. Ini tinggal closing.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, you have learned about narrative text, you have analyzed the social function, you have analyzed the generic structure, and also the language features of narrative text. So, it's time for you to have a test which will measure your knowledge about what you have learned during our class. But I will use an application. Have you ever heard Quizzes? Do you know how to operate it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
okay.
ma'am.
Do you bring your mobile phone with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Tapi nggak ada kuota, ma'am.
Oh
Iya,
my.
ma'am. Belum ada kuota.
What could I say about that? Should I buy you a quota? How
I
do
don't
we
have
say
money,
quota?
ma'am. Yes,
Yeah,
we don't
me
have
either.
money.
Me either. That's why I work. And that's why I work to earn money. Okay. No reason. No reason.
Why,
When you
ma'am?
have
No
minta
reason,
sama ini
ma'am.
aja, ma'am.
when you have no
Nanti
quota,
saya
when you
hotspot
have no
Emi
money.
aja, ma'am.
Hotspotin, ma'am.
Nanti saya hotspot Emi, ma'am.
Okay, be kind. Who have an internet in their mobile phone, please kindly share. Kindly share with
Yes, ma'am.
your friends. Okay, I have sent the link in our WhatsApp group. You can click the link and it directly connect to our test item in Quizzes. Okay, I give you
Yes, ma'am.
about 15 minutes to do the test. When you have finished, just click send and your score will directly recorded in that application. And you also can see the score you got. Okay, please do the test.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am. Finish, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay, good.
Okay, ma'am. Finish, ma'am.
Yeah, see your score by yourself. That is the level of your, how do we say it, your knowledge. When learning.
100, ma'am.
Good job.
Me too, ma'am.
Ya,
I got
kami
100.
salah satu.
Glad to have a smart students like you all. Okay then. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am.
Let's do some reflection. How do you feel as long as you are learning a narrative text? How do you feel? Are you feel happy?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. I
It's
enjoy,
very
ma'am. I
interesting,
enjoy the
ma'am.
method,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
I enjoy, ma'am.
Do you feel comfortable?
Ma'am.
Do you love me?
Yes, of course, ma'am.
I love you
love
too.
you, ma'am.
Thank you, because I love you. I do love you. Okay. You are happy, you are comfortable, you got the knowledge, you know what is narrative text, you know the type, you know the social function, you know the generic structure, and you know the language features. Okay, that is the purpose of our teaching learning process this time. Okay,
Thank
and
you so much, ma'am.
you are welcome. This is the end of our class for today. And the next meeting, we are learning about an analytical exposition text. Okay. Oh, no, we still have to make a narrative text. Sorry, I forgot. Okay, sorry.
Okay, ma'am.
Right. And, thank you for joining my class. Thank you for being such a good student for today and also smart student. We will meet next week on the same day, on the same time, and also with the same happy mood. Okay, thank you. And I
Okay, ma'am.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Have a good day.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Bye,
Bye-bye, ma'am.
Bye.